Day 2. Looking for some cafe, which is supposed to be over here, I thought. I don't know.
But if we didn't have masks, I know Jason would have slept. We would have slept in that one bed together.
I like that.
It's snug.
The trees. They got big nails. There. That's exactly how you pronounce it too. That's the official way. It's a big name. Brooklyn Cafe Market. Yeah, that's not happening. She'll pick that key up on the way out.
Nope, they didn't say till 3:30. Did you say that?
I'm walking down the street, checking out the scene here. Waiting to see if it's going to rain on us. Yeah, yeah. Had a good day.
Look, these are so pretty.
Started sunny, now it's cloudy. Sweet. Yeah. I feel like I'm rallying now. Good, good, good. I'm kind of come back. I had a little bit of an issue.
Yeah, you did.
That's really low. That seems very irresponsible. Very irresponsible. Oh, here's the rain.
No.
Dan, I need my hat. Oh, you recorded too? Well, you got to point it the right way. You point it to the side, and it's upside down.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, that's...
No, I turned it around a while ago and I forgot. Shut up.
I'm not saying shit. I don't have to. Oh, you gotta slow down, player. Oh, I got 10 seconds. I'm gonna use all of them. Use all of them. 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam! I used all my time.
Damn.
Always use all your time too, kids.
Yeah, right.
You got 30. You use your 30 seconds.
You're an asshole! No, they told me on the way down here.
That's what I do now. I missed that. Well, you fucking slave. I had it on. You're too busy having heart attacks. You can't keep up with everything. It's on there. Some shit. So I lit my cigar for me. Guess who has it?
I'm like, where? Yeah, I'm saying.
Oh yeah, she's raising it up. She's like, I got it.
Damn.
Really? Really? Oh, I get my cigar back. Well. Good. You good stay? Good stay?
Good stay. It was
Good
fun.
stay?
Good stay, excellent. Loved it.
Hot minute. It was fun.
It's moving. Slow and relaxing. I'm hot.
Really?
Yeah.
Ready to go.
All right, next we gotta get back
Ready
home.
to go.
Point of the video where it's time to go home, and this was one of the weekends where Dana checked, I checked, and what it came down to was the weather said it was going to be beautiful all weekend, maybe 10%, 20% chance of rain. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna ride down. That changed. That ended up being very easily, very quickly, 100% with thunderstorm and hail, which was really, really fun. Right into town here. This is about this is about the time that I was like, this is gonna suck. There's no. I was like, yeah, this is shit. This is about to get ugly. What I felt when I got hit by hail was this. What she said. It was like, because I was talking to her on my helmet with the comms, we were talking to each other. I sounded like this. I didn't sound that bad. I think that's very inappropriate and very hurtful, Dana. And it wasn't tiny hail, it was like massive. Right. It said it was gonna open up, it was gonna be sunny and all that good stuff. But you know what? It lied. What's this thing do? Man, that's bright. Holy crap. Oh, okay. The seizure light. Okay. That's fun. What just happened? Stop. Okay, back to that one.